Hello, my name is Brandon Bustos. I am 25 years old and I live in Tuluá City. Let me tell you a little about myself. I enjoy learning new things because there is always something to learn in my job and I try to improve every day. I study technology systems and I currently work as a software developer. I like writing code, learning new technologies, and exploring new programming language. In my free time, I enjoy playing video games, watching anime, and playing soccer. I practice 3 times a week. In the future, I want to become systems engineer. I will be to learn a new language, travel around the world, and grow as a developer. I know I had to work hard to achieve it. Thank you for watching this the video. I'm getting to know me better. Goodbye.